Hello, my name is Robert Huber. I'm Managing Director of Digital Dental and Healthcare Technology GmbH & Co. KG, and therefore also responsible for our CaviTAU division. In this tutorial, I explain how to get CaviTAU up and running in minutes. It only takes 3 to 4 steps. Step 1. Unpacking. The CaviTAU device usually comes in the so-called CaviTAU starter kit. The CaviTAU starter kit contains your CaviTAU device in a shockproof case, an all-in-one PC with a wireless mouse and keyboard, and the CaviTAU software pre-installed, the foot switch, gel pads, and all the necessary electronic plug connections. Step 2. Setup is child's play. Simply remove the CaviTAU device from the shockproof case and place it in the location where you will later be examining your patients. I use this trolley, which is also available as an option. I place the device on one of the lower shelves. I place the supplied all-in-one PC on the top shelf. Step 3. Next, connect the device with the individual components to the power supply. To do this, remove the supplied USB hub and connect the CaviTAU device to the hub via the 2 USB ports. Next, connect the foot switch to the USB hub via its USB port. Now, connect the hub to the all-in-one PC. Then, connect the 2 devices to the power supply. I use the socket attached to the trolley for this purpose. And then connect the trolley to any available socket. Step 4. Next, switch on the device. To do this, press the power button on the all-in-one PC. The PC starts up and usually loads the CaviTAU software automatically via auto start. First, the CaviTAU software communication window appears, which gives you general information about the status of the system, whether the license is up to date, and information about servicing dates. After this, the CaviTAU software interface appears. Step 5. Creating a patient in the software. To start a test, first create a patient in the software. To do this, click on the New Client button in the top left corner. An applet opens and you can now enter your patient's personal data here. Complete this step by clicking on Save. To quickly find which tooth to start the measurement on, upload your patient's existing OPG into the software via File Import. To do this, click on OPG Import. The window that opens shows the file path. Select the desired patient file and upload it to the software. To complete this process, click Run. Step 6. The last step before testing on a patient is to apply the gel pads to the handpiece. To do this, take a pad from the enclosed transmitter cushion and attach it to the transmitter arm as follows. Now, take a receiver gel pad out of the packaging and attach it to the receiver arm. To do this, carefully open the sleeve and insert the receiver arm, preferably from above. Now that you have properly attached the receiver and transmitter gel pads to the 2 arms, check that no air bubbles have formed on the transmitter gel pad. If there are any small air bubbles, gently press them out with the end of a mirror. Step 7. To put the device into standby mode, click on the Run button and take the handpiece in your hand. Activate the device by gently squeezing the handpiece. The device is now ready for the first scan. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you success with your diagnostics and lots of fun using your new CaviTAU. You're welcome to contact us if you have any further questions. My name is Robert Huber, and I'm happy to welcome you as a new CaviTAU user.